everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. If you hear a weird sound, it's because everybody has their air on. I can hear it like slightly. Can you hear it, Robert?
Mm-hmm.
I noticed in a couple of the other videos. Sorry, I don't like sounds in the background either, but it's there and I can't do anything about it, so forgive me on that. So today, guys, I have a fun forgotten haul that I bought a while back, as I stated in the title, TJMax forgotten haul. So I was getting ready, and then I wanted to throw on my snake skin. Well, it's not real snake skin, you know, it's just snake jumper, and I realized I have my snake nails on as well, which is not planned. Then I got to thinking that I had bought a snake like bag, and I don't know where it is, what happened to it. So I set my son digging, and yay, because he had to unpack, repack, and behind the scenes, guys, it's a mess. You guys only see this part, but behind the scenes there's a lot going on. So we just want to keep this part as pretty as possible. So my poor son in this heat had to go digging, because I know somewhere in this house there was a bag that I had bought way back, way back. I don't even know what year this is. It doesn't say it on here, does it? No. Because I had bought a snake prince bag.
I feel like we bought it before 2020.
Yeah, I want to say that too. And I've never used it. So he found it, guys. Apparently, I had bought matching shoes. Here they are, on clearance, of course. I never pay full price, so I'm gonna undo these together. Now this bag is it says here Steve Madden, Steve Madden, is that right?
I think it's Madden, yeah.
Okay, Steve Madden. So I don't think I have any other Steve Maddens on my list, so I'm gonna make with this video a new category, a new series, because my son did bring up a box full of bags that are not Zuni or any of the other brands that I've been doing here. We're going to be calling it the others. So if you see that in my playlist, the others, those are going to be bags and stuff videos on which I don't really have a lot of. I have maybe one or two pieces, and it's not something I'm collecting. So I do have like a random video on it, on brand. It's going to go on the others. So that's something to look forward to, a new playlist. So we're going to put this video under the others. I hope you will watch it. I'm going to link it on the bottom with some other fun playlists for you guys. So let's jump right in to unpacking this bag. Apparently I've never used it, and I totally forgot about it. But since I wanted to wear my snake here and my snake nails, I thought, you know what, I'm going to put it together and show you guys, because it's such a cute bag. I've never even seen or used any of these Steve, I guess, what's it again? Steve Madden?
Steve Madden.
Yeah. I don't really reach for it, so this is new for me. I'm going to use it today. So I will do an outside for you guys of me, how it's going to look on me. I'm going to switch out of my quick bag into this, because we're going out and we're going to be out all night, so I'm going to have fun with my new Steve Madden forgotten bag. Okay, so these are shoes I bought apparently together.
What are the odds that you found the...
I guess at the time when I bought it, no, I don't think so. This is...
Because they match really well.
Something else. It's Sprint. It's Sprint. They're a little big on me too. They're 9.5, but I wear 9. So look how cute, guys.
But they match so well.
I think I did pick it out together,
Yeah.
and I just probably packed it away and forgot all about it. So here's my shoes. I think it looks great. What do you think?
Looks good to me.
And I got my shoes for $16 from $19.99.
Is that from thing?
It's from TJMax.
I think I'll say Marshalls.
No. And then this one is a wallet that I had in my wallets. And look at that. Maybe, now I'm remembering, I think I had gotten this and I wanted a bag to match. And I went looking. Okay, so this is my wallet. Wallet is not any kind of name brand either. It's just a simple snakeskin wallet. It's unbranded. It's a nice big one though. It has a lot of card slots here. Like, so 6 and 6. And then a zipper in the middle. It looks like this hasn't been used a lot either. I just found it in the bottom of my pile. So I'm going to move my stuff quickly into that. So let's jump into the actual bag, guys. Look at Steve Madden? Say it, Robert.
Steve Madden.
Madden. It still has the tags, everything. It's kind of a two-tone. It has the snake and the beautiful creamy snake on top. And on the bottom here, it has it in the browns. Isn't it pretty? You can see why I picked it out. But how does one forget about a bag? I mean, serious? But yeah, this is where I'm at. It has a little pocket here. Here is the tag. Apparently, I got it for $20 from $24 on clearance.
Cool.
Yeah, I should keep those. And okay, so there's a lot going on. It has 2 straps, guys. It came with 2 straps. So do you guys know this brand? Do you have any bags from it? Let me know.
I think that's the only snakeskin item we have, right?
Yeah, this is a new. I'm telling you, it's a new brand for me. Although I have seen it, I want to say I have seen it at the TJ Maxx as well.
We've had cow and leathery stuff, but no like snake stuff, I think.
No, so good. We can wear this to the zoo.
Yeah.
Okay, so here is the tag, guys. It says Neutral Snake Hobo, and that's what it's called. Neutral Snake Hobo. I'll keep that too. I'll put it inside. So as I was saying, it came with. So it has a brown strap. Both the straps are removable. Love that. Let's see if I can work it. My nails don't fall. So yeah, see how it comes up? Look how cute. It's studded brown to match, I guess, the brown and brown. I could probably wear some browns under here too. Then the other strap is a crossbody. Again, it's also removable. I think that's kind of cute. And this is also in the brown snake, double-sided. So that's pretty interesting. It has 2 removable straps. I could probably use these straps. This is my favorite type of strap. I could use this with my Doonies or my Coaches. This would go pretty with Coach. I think the coloring, right? I hope the colors are coming out good, guys, because it is dark in here and
yeah, I mean, I saw it before we started. It seems okay, but if it gets darker, they should tell us in the comments. We'll adjust it next time.
The colors are not coming out correctly, but look how cute this is. It's really soft, and yet it's stiff enough where it's holding its shape. So it will go on my wall. The pocket here, as I said, it does open like this with the clip. And look at that. Oh, well, that's interesting. There's a lot going on in here. Hold on. Okay, so there's, let me see if we can examine this. It has a slip pocket. I don't know what this is. So it has this weird pocket attached. It has a place. Well, let's pull it out. It has the tag right here. It has a place here. I'm assuming it was for a phone.
Yeah.
Hold on 1 second. I hear the neighbor. Is she talking? 1 second. Yep. My main neighbor. She wanted to know if I have a hose. No, I don't have a hose. So it has this attached piece, guys. Don't know anything about it. It is cute. It has a zipper pull and a little pocket here. Yeah. And the inside seems to be a nice suede kind of feel. It is brown. I don't know if you can see it. But that's interesting, right? Well, I've never seen this.
Yeah, what is that?
I'm gonna have to look out for more of these Steve
Maddens, yeah.
Maddens? Like I said, I've never thought I owned one. This was kind of, I think grabbed it because of the snake skin of it. What? What's back here? That's weird. So it has some kind of a strap on the inside, which is weird. And there's a lot to unpack in this bag, isn't there? Okay. It's just a design element. Okay. On this side, there is nothing because this is the opening for the pocket. Okay, I got it. And then so on the inside, there's this attached piece. It's an attached pocket, kind of like a center divider. Trying to describe it as clearly as I can. And this piece is all the beautiful beige creamy animal print with the zipper. But it's not sewed in, it's kind of just floating in the middle, being held up by these straps. So that's kind of kooky. But it is so cute. Like I said, it has this suede inside. It's very suede material. It's like a dark brown kind of black with that zipper divider. The hardware on it is silver, guys. Oh, okay, so we got stuff going on in here too. Look at that rubber. This is a lot going on for a little bag. So in here there's pockets and zipper pocket inside this little divider. So let me just examine. Yeah, it has a zipper pocket on the end, and inside is the brown with the Steve Madden written all over it. And then on this side there is 2 slip pockets. So this middle divider has the organization more than the bag itself. That's pretty cute. Very cute. Okay, now the zipper got stuck. Anyway, I am going to move into it, guys, because this is a piece that I apparently wanted and loved. I did pick it up maybe 5-6 years ago.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think it was 5
I'm
years
going
ago.
to use it with my wallet that I had also forgotten about. And since I'm all snaked out today, I'm going to wear it. And I'm going to be using these shoes that I apparently got for it. So this is my TJMax Forgotten Haul video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Again, it's going to be a new playlist. I'm going to put it under the others. So I'll go, me and my son will do a little bit of research, see if I have other brands that I have 1 or 2 videos on. We'll just add it to there.
We should call, that's what the series should be called.
The others, yeah, that's what I said.
It's not in reference to the movie from
oh, no, I just mean like the other brands that I don't...
The Ghost movie.
I don't really have a lot of. You know, I think it's going to hold a lot. Let's do a little bit of like comparison. Give me a journal from the Coach. I'm sure it's going to fit. This is you saw how big this wallet is? It went in there, no problem. The middle divider will be holding my accessories. It has this slip thing here. I have here a Coach journal, which I'm probably moving to one of them to take with me. Alright, that fit perfectly, no problem. So yeah, this is really nice. You know what? And if I was to take my shoes.
Oh, look at that.
This is a nice size bag. What was it called again, the name?
Steve Madden.
Steve Madden, and it is called a Natural Snake Hobo. So if you come across it, I don't know if you might, well, I don't know. I mean, like I said, I've had this at least 5-6 years in storage. Just found it. But this is a brand I'm going to be taking a second look at because I didn't know. This is really nice. Very nice. I hope you enjoyed, guys. Again, if you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. Just a little video I wanted to put together for you guys. When this loads, I will be out of town, so I'm doing these ahead of time just so I have a Friday video for you guys. It's going to load on a Friday. I'm trying to just load my main videos on Fridays. On Tuesdays, you're going to see my dailies. So if I have a bag. I'm going to show you. I'll do a daily to match. So on Tuesday you'll see the bag daily, and then on the Friday you'll see the actual bag, or vice versa. I'm not sure. I'm just very excited. I'm having a lot of stuff going on in my home, a lot of excitement. I'm going to be sharing with you guys soon. Once the dust settles, everything will be clear. Just bear with me. Thank you to everyone who's been here. Thank you for the love, the support, all the letters. You guys, my P.O. box was so full. If you guys want to reach out to me and send me something, like a little letter, a postcard, say hi. I love getting those stickers. I've been getting so much fun postcards sent to me. And I have all nice, my... I'll link my P.O. box on by, but everything is on the homepage, guys. Go follow me on Instagram. I am more active there. And if you haven't already, go and follow my new garden Instagram, because we're going to be sharing a lot of stuff on there as well. And for the first 50 who come there, I think we're at like 25 maybe right now. So thank you to everyone who has. The first 50 is going to be put into my raffle for my giveaways of when I do give a Dooney bag as a gift. Not a giveaway, a gift. But for the first 50 who are here and there, those names are going to go in there. So I do monitor that daily. So don't forget to go over there and follow me there as well. From my normal Instagram, you can go vice versa. You can link from one to the other. You can send me a message there too and say, hey, I'm Patricia. I follow you on Instagram. That would be great. I do love to reach out to you guys. I love it when you reach out to me. So thank you to everyone. I hope you enjoyed this little silly haul, forgotten haul from TJMax. Do you have stuff like this? I want to know. Let me know. Because I can't believe I didn't know this was there all this time. So thanks, guys. Mwah. Bye.